Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan Pak Bob dari Ganti. Video kali ini Pak Bob akan melukis di suatu daerah yang mana nanti medianya tetap tembok dan motifnya pemandangan gitu Mas Bro ya. Jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe-nya. Tetap semangat, tetap jaga kondisi kesehatan. Oke, ayo kita simak videonya yuk.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep dubbing.
Ini kita sulam, ini nanti kita blok semua, kita sulam menjadi pemandangan yang lain gitu Mas Bro. Oke.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Took until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it. Just think carefully, I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down,
Oke, cukup sekian dulu Mas Bro Mbak Bro ya video dari Pak Bob dari Ganti Vlog yang mana hasil akhirnya seperti ini. Oke, jangan lupa like, share, dan subscribe-nya. Tetap semangat, tetap jaga kondisi kesehatan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, sip.
While you just follow the path, I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.